must va can't. Must va can't taxmin ma'nosini ifodalab, must ya'ni pozitiv shakldagi taxmin ma'nosini ifodalasa, can't esa negativ shakldagi taxmin ma'nosini ifodalaydi. Sonra tuzilish shakli ya'ni formula shu: present simple subject plus must plus verb 1. Misol uchun he has been studying all day, he must be tired. U kun bo'yi o'qiyotgan edi, u charchagan bo'lishi mumkin. Ya'ni kuni bilan o'qib yurgani ma'lum, shuning uchun taxmin etib turibdi. The lights are on, they must be at home. Chiroqlar yoniq, ular uyda bo'lishi mumkin. Buni ham taxmin etib turibdi. She speaks English perfectly. U ingliz tilida zo'r gapiradi. She must have a good teacher. Menimcha deganman, taxminan unda yaxshi o'qituvchi bo'lgan, ya'ni o'qituvchisi bor. Can't esa bo'lishi mumkin emas, unda emas degan ma'noda bo'lib, kuchli salbiy taxmin ma'nosini bildiradi. Subject plus can't plus verb oddiy tuzilish shakli formula present simple. Misol uchun he is only 5 years old, he can't drive. U atigi only bilan faqat atigi 5 yoshda u hayday olmaydi. Ya'ni qila olmaslik negativ deganni ma'nosi nodir ishni qila olmaslik bo'lgani uchun, ya'ni inkor bo'lgani uchun negativ shaklda va kuchli salbiy taxmin. It's midnight, they can't be at school. Kech bo'ldi, ular maktabda bo'lmasliklari mumkin. Aniq. Aniq salbiy taxmin. Taxminan bo'lgan salbiy. She got 100% on every exam. She can't be stupid. U har imtihonda 100% oladi, 100% natija oladi. U ahmoq bo'lishi mumkin emas. O'tgan zamonda esa have plus verb 3, keyin must have verb 3. Ya'ni have plus verb 3 bizlarga yordam keladi. Must have plus verb 3. He must have forgotten my phone number. U meni telefon raqamimni unutgan bo'lsa kerak. Sababi shu vaqtda tez o'tib turgan vaqtda bir-birini aytib o'tib shuni bilan yoddan chiqib ketdi. Yoki she must have gone to home. U uyga ketgan bo'lishi kerak. Yoki they must have arrived early. Ular ertaroq yetib kelgan bo'lishlari kerak. Bo'lishlari mumkin. Taxmin. Can't have plus verb 3. Can'tni o'tgan zamoni o'tmishda sodir bo'lgan bo'lishi mumkin bo'lmagan ish, bo'lishi mumkin emas degan. He can't have stolen the money. U pulni o'g'irlagan bo'lishi mumkin emas. Sababi u donida yaxshi jo'rasi ya boshqa biri. Shuning uchun aytib turibdi. She can't have forgotten your birthday. U seni tug'ilgan kuningni unutishi mumkin emas, chunki u seni yaqin chiqqaning. Yoki they can't have left already. Ular erta allaqachon ketgan bo'lishlari mumkin emas, sababi ular bizni kutishmasdan ketishmasdi degan.